Are you ready to take what you've learned about conditionals and turn it into a game? I hope so. This week, you are going to be creating a conditional dice game. On the slide in front of you are some of the instructions. The first instruction says, create some if-then statements about the dice. I have some examples listed here. You'll be using two dice, and if the two dice added together equals an even number, maybe you can score 1 point. If it equals an odd number, give yourself 2 points. If you roll the same number on both dice, maybe you can give yourself 5 points. If you get boxcars, which is what you see on the screen here with the 2 sixes showing, how about 10 points? You get to make up whatever rules you'd like. You have to decide how many points are needed to win, and you're going to be using some dice here that are linked that you can roll. If you're at home and you want to use some dice from home, that is perfectly fine too. So we'll click on this link and you will see what happens. So the first thing I want to do is click on roll dice, just so you can see what this will look like. So they always start with 3 dice. What we're going to do with our game is just use 2. So in order to get rid of this last yellow dice, we are going to click on the yellow box and we'll only be using dice 1 and dice 2. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Let's check it out. Yep, I got rid of the third dice, so we only have 2. So when you roll the dice, you're going to look for the number that's on the top when it lands. Those are the 2 numbers that you'll be adding together. So again, you can make up your own rules. In class, I will be showing you how to make up a score sheet. You are going to be both teams. So maybe you want to name your team your favorite animals, or if you like sports, maybe your favorite sports teams playing against each other, maybe the Cyclones versus the Hawkeyes, or the Steelers versus the Cowboys, or the cats versus the dogs. You can decide however you want to, and you can play with. If you're playing the game by yourself, you're both of the teams. But if you are playing at home and you want to play with a friend or a brother or sister, or maybe your mom or dad, they can come up with their own team names and you can play against them. I hope you have fun playing this dice game. And again, you get to make up the rules, so have as much fun as you would like.